Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some happy mail to share with you all, and yeah, let's just get into it. So one is from Ada, who is the Paper Treasury here on YouTube and Instagram, and the other is from our good friend Kat. So we're gonna go with Ada's gifts, or not gifts. I think this is my what is it called? Something that she wanted to send to me for a while, and she was just waiting to get to that comfort zone. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, let's see what she really sent me. And here we go. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Here we go. What is here? This is a cute bag. Ooh, I like this. Is this the Daiso? This looks like the Daiso the Daiso bag everybody's been hauling. Been seeing it. Several ladies sharing that cute little treat bag. Oh yes, it is. I won. This is my prize. It was a prize for the what was it? What is, oh, I forgot what she called them. The little sequin cluster thingies. Look, we made it with her on her live. You guys, look at how cute. Look at this little bunny. Oh my goodness. There's her rolled flowers. Yes, girl. I love that. Oh my God, look at all this beautiful sequins on here. You guys, I'm just admiring it. And then she has thread. I've never seen iridescent thread like this. I've never seen iridescent thread, period. Like this or anything. I'm sorry if it's not clear. Let me see if I can clean it up a little bit. Look at this thread. Can you see that on my finger? Look at that thread. It's clear, iridescent. I love that. Oh my gosh. Oops, whoops. So I know it's gonna lose a few beads here and there because you know, the method was to push it down and pat it into the hot glue, so you're gonna get pieces that will roll off, and I'm fine with that. This is an itty bitty seed bead. Oh my gosh, did you guys even see this little fox right there? Isn't that cute? Her sequences are so pretty. I'm just putting it right back on there. It is so pretty. Look, she even gave me die cuts. Oh, these are so cute. This, I've never seen this. Little castle. And the cameras. Ooh, flamingo. Flamingo. Let's have some fun. Yes, I always have fun with Ada and the girls. They are amazing. This one's be smart, be charming, be kind, be silly, be you. Yep, totally me. I love that butterfly. You see that? Super pretty, you guys. Thank you, Ada. Thank you so much. Oh, here's my note. That's some more journaling cards. Super cute, like she says. Congrats, girlie. Hope you find something to use these babies on. Yes, I definitely will. I've already used, made some like this and put them on my rosettes. And they look adorable. This is gorgeous. Ada, thank you so much. Girl, I don't know why I'm going to go putting that thing back because this is too cute. We just need to leave that baby out. And yes, I'm working on another shoe. I don't care. Okay. This is from our good friend Kat, and she was Lolly Thimble here. You guys. There's so much I want to say, but I don't have. All I can say, guys, is appreciate those that have come before us, right? Oh my God, what is this? What did you do, Kat? Oh my gosh. Oh my God, look at this. Oh my God. Oh my god, you guys, she makes the most adorable freaking, what is this one called? The foamy characters. Oh my god, let me show you. She sent me this last year. Or was it the year before? Hold on, because it's too cute to let you know, let you. I haven't even used it. That's how much I like it. It's a pencil, and she put the little flowers on here, and she made this little baby chick right here. You see that? And then it says classy chick. This is her writing and her little character. She made that by hand, no pattern. So she is amazing, guys. I have her on my fridge too. She made little sandwiches. Her very first letter she wrote to me. Look at this. This little Easter little, oh, it's a stand. It's a little tripod. It's a tripod. So the baby can stand up. Look at this. Oh my God, look. Looky. Oh, Cat, and this is a little note. Let me just read her note real quick. Oh, something say bring you. Oh, Cat, thank you. He is adorable, this little ducky. I say ducky because look at the feet. It says peep. Oh my goodness, a cute little button and her ribbon. I mean, she is too classy, man. You know, look at that. It's gorgeous. And this guy moves. He's not stuck on there firm. He moves like that. She's really good with those little foamy characters, guys. She hand drew all the lines here. So perfect. So pretty. Oh, you are too cute. You're gonna stay right here with me. And look at, what is this? Look at the little bunny. Oh, she made a little clip. Okay, pull it out, Eileen. Come on. Oh, happy Easter. That's so cute. It's a clip. It's a clip. His little bunny tail with the ears. This guy is too cute. You see that? It's a clip. Did you make these? These are so cute. I love that little touch, girl. Super cute, Cat. Thank you so much, babe. This is adorable. Always with the best ideas. My goodness. I love it. It can't stand. It's just standing. There you go. Thank you, Ada, for my prize. I love it, babe. I know I have some inspiration here now in front of me. And this beautiful little ducky that I'm going to call Ducky from Cat. Please, guys, go check out Ada's channel. I would say check out Cat's channel, but she no longer does YouTube. So God bless and thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.